China and Russia's military backing of Iran. Deep Strategic Report, June 2025. As the 2025 Iran-Israel conflict escalates, China and Russia have quietly become Iran's strongest military enablers, providing not only tactical and logistical support, but also geopolitical leverage. While avoiding direct confrontation, both powers are actively shaping the battlefield through technology transfers, covert logistics, and intelligence sharing, drastically altering the balance of power in the Middle East. China's military role in Iran, June 2025. 1. Missile fuel and industrial chemicals. China has shipped large quantities of rocket propellant chemicals like ammonium perchlorate and sodium perchlorate, allowing Iran to rapidly produce solid fuel ballistic and cruise missiles, maintain war reserves for extended campaigns, expand mobile launcher units across southern and western Iran. These materials are critical for short launch time missiles, enhancing Iran's first strike readiness. Hagbert 2. Covert air and maritime transfers. China has utilized military cargo flights without transponder signals, civilian shipping vessels repurposed for strategic goods. Payloads likely include advanced drone optics, electronic warfare devices, AI processors for targeting, encrypted communication systems. The use of commercial channels ensures deniability and reduces the chance of international interception.
3.
Drone and UAV expansion. Chinese factories supply critical parts for Iran's Shahed 136-238 loitering munitions, Mohajer 6 tactical drones, Karar jet-powered UAVs. Iran can now assemble swarms of drones in underground facilities, launch drones from mobile platforms, making detection difficult, use long-range kamikaze drones with GPS spoofing resistance. 4. Electronic warfare and battlefield connectivity. China supports Iran with ground jamming units that block GPS, radar, and drone uplinks, mobile signal interceptors, passive radar capable of detecting low RCS stealth aircraft, AI-integrated surveillance systems used for battlefield mapping. This gives Iran a more digitally networked military, able to respond faster to threats and conduct asymmetric aerial warfare. Russia's military role in Iran, June 2025. 1. Technical and tactical support. Russia has resumed the transfer of spare parts and maintenance teams for Iranian MiG-29s, Su-24s, and SAM systems, software upgrades for air defense platforms like Tor M1, S-200, and Buk variants, mobile radar arrays to integrate with Iranian defense grids. These enable older Russian-supplied equipment to remain fully operational in combat. 2. Intelligence and satellite coordination. Russia has provided access to high-resolution satellite imagery of Israeli airbases and U.S. naval movements, signal interception data to track communications, real-time target tracking via surveillance constellations. This boosts Iranian precision targeting for missile and drone strikes against infrastructure and military targets. 3. Arms logistics via Caspian and regional routes. Arms and components arrive through Caspian Sea shipping lanes from Russian ports, overland through Armenia and Turkmenistan, use of Russian-aligned Eurasian customs zones to avoid detection. Items include man-portable air defense systems, man-pads, thermobaric warheads, anti-tank guided missiles, mobile launchers for Hezbollah. 4. Field training and proxy doctrine. Russian advisors have been embedded in Iranian IRGC battalions, Hezbollah's tactical drone units, Syrian and Iraqi militia training programs. They conduct simulated counter-air drills, drone swarm coordination tactics, urban warfare maneuvers. This has enhanced the lethality and independence of Iran's proxy forces. Combined strategic outcomes. A. Expanded war production. Iran is now capable of mass-producing missiles and drones with foreign-supplied raw materials, stockpiling launch-ready weapon systems in hidden bunkers, using redundant production hubs across provinces like Esfahan, Kerman, and Fars. B. Combat tech convergence. China and Russia have helped Iran combine Chinese optical sensors and GPS modules, Russian radar tracking software, domestic payload manufacturing, This hybrid technology gives Iran the ability to target long-distance assets, with drones or missiles having multi-layered guidance systems. C. Proxy network expansion. Pro-Iranian groups now possess drones with range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, real-time strike-approval communication, Chinese jammers used to block Iron Dome and GPS systems. These upgrades increase the multi-front threat to Israel and U.S. bases in the Gulf. D. Global strategic shift. Iran, China, and Russia now form a military and economic triangle. All three nations share battlefield tactics, cyber warfare intelligence, and logistical resources. The U.S. and its allies face a new non-NATO aligned axis with long-range projection capabilities and regional destabilization potential. Summary. In June 2025, China provides Iran with critical materials, electronics, and cyber warfare tools. Russia reinforces Iran's combat readiness with maintenance, intelligence, and arms movement. Iran has transformed into a proxy-backed regional power with asymmetric tools that challenge traditional military superiority. This realignment marks a turning point in the Middle East, where indirect great power rivalry is playing out through advanced warfare, economic leverage, and drone-driven tactics.